Man, they hate you. How the fuck it I reach where you want be? I know we keep the thing from day one. Man, full of guns, full of shots to the nation. Man, they hate you. How the fuck it I reach where you want be? Any boy want just create one. 7 man march out a cremation. Yeah, pop off war start gunshot brighter than torchlight. You a baby to this dog. You shoulda never walk away. Nigga day dog, boy I fear run away. Now stop chill them till them live down in a grave. All of them bad mind, so we bomb in a them head like landmine. 7.6 to lick up boy eyesight. This get a rate and a brand new box for showcase. And big killers and no run down fame. Now so lot in your brain as you call my name. Before you think you make a step, a man a step in your face. Don't charge straight headshot from the carbine. Feed them waste man. Any boy want just create one. 7 man march out a cremation. Yeah, pop off war start gunshot brighter than torchlight. You a baby to this dog. You shoulda never walk away. Nigga day dog, boy I fear run away. Now stop chill them till them live down in a grave. You coulda link with Moses or Satan. Boy dead. Yeah, from a rookie man, boy must be sick in the med for this the president. Pull up 9 foot, get in a hand. Never surprised to see when boy change up. Tough chat and gun talk couldn't face them bad, but the whole of them fast right. But at night time every rain, and the boy feel like the one get strength. Head bust in a road pan pavement, case shot left board that they like fake. Any boy want just create one. 7 man march out a cremation. Yeah, pop off war start gunshot brighter than torchlight. You a baby to this dog. You shoulda never walk away. Nigga day dog, boy I fear run away. Now stop chill them till them live down in a grave. Man they hate you. How the fuck it I reach where you want be?